our project before that is the level. Before, ang binibenta namin is the Anaheim Tower. So, right now, may 2 tower na and then ongoing na yung third tower. Ganda ng location niya. Nasa center ng district in Silver City. So, before, binibenta namin siya ng hangin. Right now, hindi na siya hangin. Basically, nahawakan. Just like God's promise are like we might feel sometimes na parang hangin, parang it looks like impossible, but God is powerful. God can perform miracle in our life. God turned the water into wine. So, lahat ng problema or lahat ng doubts mo in life, give it to God. Believe in God because God is powerful. God is listening to you. God is always in our heart, in your heart. Just believe in Him. Call to Him. Call Jesus. Let God enter your heart. Accept Him and let's obey God together. See you on my next video, guys.